Claus came last night, Vincent. He filled your stocking with goodies.
Vincent, look. It's filled. It's too heavy for me to carry.
It's full of goodies. You can dump it out and pick one of them and have it for food right now. Look at all that. Look at all that, Vincent. You can pick one if you want to eat it.
I want to dump out mine.
Okay, dump it away from Vincent so it doesn't get mixed up. Wow. Look at everything Santa brought you. Which one are you going to pick for your first treat?
This one.
Okay, I'll hold it while you get your stocking loaded again.
Every lunch, I just have one.
Every time you wake up in the morning, and every time we're done with quiet time.
Oh.
What do you think of that, Vincent?
That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Oh, I got very open.
You did,
Yeah,
yes.
I got open. So every time, Vincent, that you wake up from quiet time, you can run all the way to your stocking and pick out one that you want.
Is that good?
Oops, what's left?
Oh, one of the bags might be open. Oh well. They'll be safe in their stocking.
Oh, this has some too.
Ah, cookies. Okay, go hang up your stocking.
And what's my stocking?
Waiting.
Day.
I see that.
That's a chocolate-covered raisin.
Yeah.
Here, Vincent. Let's put all your goodies back in your stocking before Owen wakes up. I'll hold your snack. You put everything back in.
Okay, too.
It's a pretty good haul there. Santa brought you a lot of goodies.